I was very happy to join this company, especially because they are very much friendly people and very unusual tours they decide. The itineraries and the places where they put the people. They explore all over the island and they find, especially Tom, he jumps on his bike and he goes and find places. And I find my clients are very interesting because it's really different to any other tour. Because I used to work for quite a few companies before, but this I got sort of completely different.
We call it Dagaba, Indian say stupa, someone say pagoda. The same thing, same meaning. This is the largest Dagaba in the world. It is the third tallest ancient monument in the world. The first tallest one, pyramid in Egypt, 490 feet height. Gize. Second one also is a pyramid, 470 feet height. It is the third tallest ancient monument, originally 460 feet height, 150 meters.
So many things in Sri Lanka where you can do, like cultural things, and then the beaches. It's an island, it's so beautiful, the beaches. There are beaches, nobody has stepped there. It's just pure white sand and blue water.
අපේ පොතේ ලියා ඇති කියුම් තමයි මෙසේ කියන්නේ හිතේ ඇති මැකි නැති මෙවන් වදන් බොහෝ වටින්නේ හිතා මතා බැලූ කෙනා නැතේ පරාද වෙන්නේ ඇතා නැතා හිතූ කෙනා අනාගතේ ලොවේ දිනන්නේ
Very friendly people, I'll tell you this. Not because I'm a Sri Lankan, but I know. I've been sailing all my life for 23 years. I've been all over. I always tell my guests, you show me, not me. You show me any house, I'll stop them. If they don't even offer you a cup of tea, I always challenge them. I cut my ear. That's kind of hospitality in Sri Lanka.
එදා පවා මෙදා පවා රටක් වටින අපේ කතා ගමේ රටේ තොටේ ඇහෙන්නේ ඉන්න අතක් හපා දමා අඟත් කකා කනත් කකා හිතු මතේ ඔහෙ දුවන්නේ අනේ එවන් බොහෝ දෙනා තවත් අපේ සමාජයේ කැපී පෙනී සැපේ ඉඳින්නේ මෙකි නොකි අපේ කතා මේවා අපේ කතානේ
බයිලා අල්ලගනිල්ලා මගේ කියපල්ලා මේ අහපල්ලා ළමයෝ ලස්සන බයිලා ළමයෝ අල්ලගනිල්ලා මගේ කියපල්ලා ඉල්ලගන්න ඕන නැති අල්ලගන්න ඕන්න ගිටි මල්ල පුරා පිරිලා යති ලස්සන බයිලා ඉල්ලගන්න ඕන නැති අල්ලගන්න ඕන්න ගිටි මල්ල පුරා පිරිලා යති ලස්සන බයිලා මේවා අල්ලගනිලා
We make one tea that we like to think we are the only people in the world who make it. It's called the virgin white tea. This white tea was originally conceptualized in Imperial China. And the story goes that the Chinese mandarins, they are said to have employed virgins to cut the white tea with golden scissors. It is said to have fallen into a golden bowl. And they say the only part of the human anatomy that touched the tea were the lips of the emperor. A British colleague of mine, however, told me, look, why don't you consider recreating the ritual here? But I used to work for the British plantations for most of my life. 35 years I worked for them. And if I was suddenly, my colleagues are there all over the world, And if they suddenly discovered me looking for immaculate girls with golden scissors, they may have thought that I had bats in the belfry, you know. I mean, it's an old British machine, 145 years old, and I can tell you, I have not had to pay to make any repairs at all. Provided you oil and grease it. That is probably why the British engineering industry went out of business, because they made the machines so well.
I did drive from London to Sri Lanka by road alone. That was in 1977. It was not too much trouble. So I know I passed through all that from London, then again Belgium, like that, and through Afghanistan as well. So I have the feeling, because I never got anything like what the Sri Lankan people, and I slept in the car, and but I never got so much hospitality anywhere else like here.
සරිගම අවුලක් නෑ බජව් ඩිග්‍රි ගාලා ඉන්නේ ඇජ්ජ නැතුව නටපම් මේක ක්ලෙවියගේ කාමරේ 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 ආ කාමරේ කාමරේ ආ කාමරේ ආ